Hey YouTube, we are back. So today was a prime example of I how you can do everything right in trading and still lose. Just because you follow your rules and your strategy, that doesn't mean the market is going to reward you the same way. So today, when we came to the market of course dumped overnight and it was start to recover. I thought we were going to have uh, kind of pattern like this. Oh, wrong one. Today I thought we are gonna get something like this. So we were right here. We broke through it. Price came up, gave us a massive amount of rejection in this area from this POI to this POI. So naturally I thought we are gonna go at least to either touch this POI, which we eventually did in the afternoon session. So the trade idea was correct. But the market had other ideas. The market wanted to go up higher, grab more liquidity before going to grab that liquidity. And it is what it is. So we took a total of 3 trades, 2 on a funded account and 1 in an evaluation account. Unfortunately, the funded account is gone now, but we'll see what we can see. So yeah, somewhere around here, I saw the price start tumbling down. So I marked my level. So I was like, we are below this POI. We had 2 candle closure. I marked this area as well, right here. So I was like, probably gonna go down. So on the 1 minute, let me see if I can find my entry. There we go. So right here. Of course, I missed this move because it's way before market open. I usually take trades before the market open or after the market open. So I took a stab at it. We went above this area, as you can see, closed below this area again. Massive amount of rejection. Came down, inverse this fair value gap right here. As soon as we inverse this gap, I got in. Actually jumped the gun a little bit. I got in early, and I was shooting for a low hanging fruit. I was just shooting for this liquidity, not even that, not even all the way down here. And as you can see, the price just continues to show us the barcode central. And then this was the second trade. We went above it. In my mind, I'm like, okay, we grab all of these liquidity from this POI. We also touched this POI, so not quite, but yeah, we were close to it. So I had this inverser gap. I was like, we're probably gonna, if inverse this gap, I'm gonna get in. In the first close, on the first go around, we didn't. And there was a 30-second gap in here, so we rejected it. So rejection, going down, coming up, rejecting this fair value gap again, and then closing below it. Before we close below it, of course I got in. This was gonna be a quick 1-to-1. Put my stop loss about 200 ticks right above this inverse gap. And of course the target was around this area of rejection, actually before that. So it was gonna be a quick 1-to-1, and that was a trade that took us out of the funded account. And we came here on this one. So by this time, the price action has changed. I'm seeing all the 15 minutes are closing higher and higher. So I wait for one of the 15 minutes to close above the hourly. So came here, closed above the hourly in POI. As soon as it did, I got in. And of course, I put my stop loss right below this swing because we already came grab it. And of course, The price came on, tagged us out, and went straight to our take profit. That was the last trade I took in the morning, and I stopped trading for the day. And as you can see, I'm kind of glad I did, because exactly like the morning session, Bargo Central, and then afternoon session, it was just a straight dump with barely any correction. Yeah, and that's what that was. And I saw a lot of people took the same exact trade on the short that I took, even big influencers, and we all lost. So it's just market. You're not gonna win every day. That's it. It is what it is. So let's go look at the gold. Gold wasn't any better in the New York session. It was a Barca Central. Look at this. Look at this morning session on the New York. Oh, I'm going up. Oh no, I'm going down. So yeah, you would get chopped around in the morning session too. You had one last decent opportunity before the market closed today on gold, and of course the Asia opened and the market just went straight up with barely any retracement. And of course it does that because if you look at dollar, a good indication of gold going down, dollar going up. Sorry, gold going up is dollar going down. So every time I look at the dollar value is start to go down significantly, silver and gold goes up. Same goes with Bitcoin. So every time Bitcoin crashes, usually gold and silver does good. If Bitcoin, gold, and stock indices crash all at the same time, which they've been doing since yesterday and today, as you can see, gold and silver go up because they are correlated in an inverse way. Little macro economy for you guys. That's that. So hopefully we get a better price action. So if I do trade tomorrow, I'm probably gonna trade after the news or before the news, or I may not even trade in this price action. We'll see. We'll see what happens. That's it. If you have any comment, questions, feedback, leave them in the comment section. Like the video if it was helpful, and join the school community. It's a free community. You can join in, ask question, on DM me, or find friends. See you guys in the next one. Peace.